Good evening, bargainers. And tonight, we pull an all-nighter. So, as you may know, the holiday season is right around the corner. And with the holiday season comes traffic, long working hours, and of course, lack of sleep. So today, I bring to you the Drowsebuster. What exactly is the Drowsebuster? Well, it says it's an anti-sleep device. Well, let's go ahead and check it out. Let's go ahead and move on to the unboxing, right? So what we have over here, the Drowsebuster. First we're gonna start off moving this little sticker over here. First thing you have, the attention sticker telling you to stick to the instruction manual. Then you have the Drowsebuster itself. Just look at that. Okay. Next up, have a nice little packaging over here to keep it all in. And then of course, instruction manual. Last but not least, charging cable. And you can't have any device without a charging cable. So let's go ahead and check it out. First you have little clips left and right. Then you pull it out. Looks like the old-fashioned headphones when you first get them out the box, and you have to kind of like tear this apart. Over here this has a little R for right and L for left. So clip this on your ears, your earlobe. So I gotta stick it up there. And clip this one on the right one. And then on the very top you have, well on the bottom, you have the power button. So let's turn that on. Press it for 2 seconds. So 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. And then press it one more time. And then you should get the little impulse button is flashing. Next, you want to go ahead and press the impulse button, and it's supposed to render shock to each earlobe. That's supposed to stop you from falling asleep, and it's actually working already. It's woo! That's a shock. That is a shock. That you want to try? Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay, it died down. Wow, that caught me off guard. That honestly caught me off guard, and it's starting all over again. It's starting all over again. Okay. Whew. Jesus Christ, I can't do it. I can't do it. It doesn't really. It's like a small little. It stings a little bit. It's like electricity. Well, that's what it is. It's a nice little shock to your earlobe, and it's crazy. It's crazy. It actually hurts. It hurts. I don't think you can actually fall asleep with this, with these things on. Oh man, that was terrible. That was terrible. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, cool. I turned it off. Sometimes I work 16 hours. From 6:30 in the morning to 10:30 at night, and it takes me an hour, 45 minutes to get home. What I'm going to do is, I'm already tired. I've worked 16 hours today, and if that wasn't tiring enough, I'm gonna take a little bit of sleeping aid, and then I'm gonna do my nightly routine. I'm gonna get in bed. I'm gonna play some nice music, and I'm gonna see if I can hold out not falling asleep using the Drowsebuster. So let's go ahead. So now that I'm done with my night routine, it's time to pull an all-nighter. Alexa, play white noise.
One hour later. 2 hours later. 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
So, I hope you guys enjoyed this little demonstration of the Drowsebuster. In the name of science, I put myself out there. The sleeping aid was activated a long time ago, but because of the Drowsebuster, I was able to fight through it and last a good 3 hours. So, as far as pricing goes, the Drowsebuster retails for $35. It's a little up there, but then you have to think about it. It's an investment. You're protecting yourself while you're driving at night. If you're anything like me, working long hours, you're gonna need something to help you stay up on your way home. And because of that, I'm gonna go ahead and give the Drowsebuster a 4 out of 5. So, as far as functionality, the Drowsebuster does exactly what it intends to do, which is annoy the crap out of you so you don't fall asleep. And because of that, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 5 out of 5. And next up, we have looks. Now, I kind of feel a little weird with these things in my earlobe, but if I'm in my car, this attached to my seatbelt, who's really gonna see me? And I'm not really concerned about someone's opinion about how I look. At the end of the day, I'm trying to stay safe. So because of that, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 4. So next up, we have durability. Now, the Drowsebuster has metal, and in the back is also metal. Everything else is a hard plastic and it has some weight to it, which leads me to the conclusion that this thing can take a beating before it breaks. I can't say the same about this thin little headphone wire right here. One wrong pull and this whole thing is going in the trash. So because of that, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 3 out of 3. So the overall rating for the Drowsebuster is a solid 16 out of 20 bargain stamps of approval. There are certain things that can be done better, i.e. this wire, and maybe to do something about this weird little earlobe clip. But other than that, the Drowsebuster is a win. Honestly, it's a must-have if you're anything like me, driving late at night, rolling down your windows, have the air blasting in your face, singing along to every song that comes onto the radio, or maybe making those late night phone calls to some random person, your friends or your family member, just so they can keep you up. Now, you no longer have to do that. You have the Drowsebuster to help you with that. As long as you can get over that annoying electric shock into your earlobe, you will be fine. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this review of the Drowsebuster. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. It's fun, it's free, and who doesn't like free? I know I do.